In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Integrating Asana with Slack can supercharge your productivity by keeping your project updates seamlessly within your communication channels. So let's get started. First off, you'll need to log into your Asana account. So open up your web browser and head to the Asana login page. Once you're there, enter your email address and click on the Continue button. Next, type in your password and click Login. It's a pretty straightforward process. Once you're logged into Asana, you'll be taken to your homepage. Now find the specific project that you want to connect with Slack. Browse through your projects, and once you spot the right one, just click on it to open it up. This will bring you to the project view, where you'll see all your tasks and details. Now, look at the top right corner of your project view. Here, you're going to see an option that says Customize. Click on it and then select Apps from the Customization menu. This will take you to a section where you can manage different integrations for your project. Next, let's find Slack. In the Apps section, you'll see an option that says Add App. Go ahead and click on that. You'll scroll through a list of available integrations until you find Slack. There it is. Click on the Slack option to proceed. So you've selected Slack. Now we need to tie it specifically to your project. Click on the button that says Add to Project. This step ensures that everything is properly linked to the project you've selected. Next, it's time to authorize the connection. You'll see a button that says Connect to Slack. Click on that, and a new window will pop up requesting access permissions. To allow the integration, simply click on Allow Permission. Now, here's the part where you'll authenticate your Slack account. You should be redirected to the Slack authentication page. Here, enter your Slack email address and click Continue. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish linking the accounts. Make sure to complete all the steps, as this finalizes the integration. And that's it, you're all set. Your Asana project is now connected to Slack, which means you can start receiving notifications, updates, and messages directly into your Slack channels. This integration can help keep your team aligned and informed without adding extra steps to your workflow. Remember, having your tools connected can make a huge difference in enhancing team collaboration. So take a moment to explore how you can use this integration effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on tools that can help you maximize your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next